Have you considered the possibility of making this game significantly worse? I have succeeded in this task. The victor continues its journey. This world is perilous, but I will succeed. I don't exist. I trust this room. Hey, there's usually stuff there. I backflipped and the game crashed. Why is this happening? I don't want to remove that. That's the whole point I made this video, but okay. Uh-oh. It really doesn't like this particular room. Maybe it still thinks that they're there. Let's try this. Okay, it was that mod. That sucks. Hello! You think you're safe? You think you're safe? This is the greatest. This is the best thing ever. You know what? If it doesn't replace them all with batflies, that's fine. I'll just do it myself. After all, I still have everything else working. I think the problem was that the game was trying to spawn them all because they're batflies and they don't just automatically spawn. But like they all had to spawn as miros filters, so the game probably crashed because of that. But it's okay. I have the power of Beastmaster. This is perfect. You know what this room needs? It needs a miros filter. These things are really bad at hallways. Move, 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 move. The brethren has been slain for the sacrifice only. This room also needs a miros filter. It's like sometimes I get food out of it. Other times I just think it's funny to see them die. Too slow. Oh, I got a bit of a slight migraine, but you know, otherwise I'm okay. I just gotta take this out. You know, we'll just leave it in there, I guess. That's fine. Another brother fallen! Only to feast the bigger bird! The pecking order! I still have it? Okay, it's good. It came out overnight, see? I've always wanted to play an evil metal bird, which is ironic because I've roleplayed many evil metal birds. Die! Die! Fool! Fiend! Ooh, big and spacious. We must find the biggest nest there is! Oh, it's my nest is wet. Looks like I forgot to move south for the winter. Oh god. Nope, we're not going that way. Move. Move. Oh, it's like a pool. Cool. You gotta go to Dropwig's pool for the summer, dude. The Dropwig pool for the summer is gonna be crazy. Bro, Margaret's gonna be there. Who the fuck is Margaret? Hey, you lizard! Nom 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 nom. Man, I love this room, but you know what this room needs? That's right. 5 miros vultures. No one lives here. Except that guy. Why is this underwater? Oh. Well, I guess we're fine. Hurry, 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 hurry. Save, save, save. Okay, thank you. I'm going to wake up drowned and dead. Nothing like sleeping in a pool of water overnight. Oh, I'm fine. You see, when you fall asleep in the deep end of the pool, you get invincibility frames until the next time you wake up. Just a little cheat sheet for you swimmers out there. Finally! The grand opening! Fuck you. No, my god. I love having the fear of heights. It doesn't debilitate my ability to play games at all. You tried, buddy. I'll give you that. Oh. Ooh! That one's just straight up nice! Die! Die! Consume! Delicious! Behold my nest! My throne! My nest of metal and scrap and other shit I don't need. I want to go to Outer Expanse, and I want to run around with all the slug cats and eat them. Come down. Thank you, good night. Oh dear god, what the hell? Nice. Oh, passage. I can get passages. There's like, wait, hang on, what? Oh. Can I not? Oh, I can't actually go through there? Okay. Oh, alright. Come down! Come close to the exit pipe, you won't regret it. Oh. Or you could fucking leave too, I guess. It's really funny because I know that Drought just came out, and normally I'd be like, hey, Drought just came out, we should play that, but no, I'm playing this. Oh, it's a four-way intersection of shelters and beds. He's dead. Man, I love Doom music. I just love Doom, period, you know? These poor overseers. Wait, I can't be in Spearmaster's campaign, can I? Because that pole plant only shows up in Spearmaster's campaign. Do it! Do it! Do it! I didn't think so. Do it! Hello? Ouch! I can think. Why would you give me this ability? No, this does not make you special. Every living thing shares the same frustration for the microbes and the processing strata to me, who I am, if you excuse me, godlike in comparison. Thank you, big box man. Can I eat you? You know what, in solemn for the mod not working, I'll just spawn them in myself. There's like, what, 5 bat flies here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, have fun, you guys. That's a pretty newt. I like to start off the day with a nice, healthy portion of steel and malice. Alright, I think we should go to garbage wastes. Because I want to just full-on sprint through a scaft hole, because I think that'd be really funny if I did. Actually, no, you know what? Let's go say hi to the Miros birds. Let's go say hi to my cousins. Kills the spiders, too? Finally, I could be a bird. I've always wanted to be a bird. You know, everybody calls me, like, the octopus lady. If I was anything, I would be a bird, for sure. Oh, that's neat. Even though there's no actual threat music in Shaded Citadel, they added one anyway. Finally, I can be a bird where I belong! This is where I should have started anyway. I want to speak to my friends. Hello. How are you? It's really nice hanging out with you guys. I'm really glad that you guys let me into your club. You know, it's really kind of you. It's been really hard finding new friends. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! Yeah, I have no hands, so I'm gonna have to go up here like this. This is what the Doom music is what the scavengers are hearing. If I hold up, I can just pee. I'm in past garbage waste. Yep, I'm in Spearmaster. I'm in Spearmaster. I'm in Spearmaster. I was right. I'm in Spearmaster. I was right. I require a new nesting spot. Move. Quite a spacious nest. Others who may wish to join me. Man, I'm heavy. There's also Grumblebum Plays, which is, like, my favorite song. I want to eat that red centipede. Where is he? The fuck? Why did Grumblebum stop playing? What the hell? Oh, that's why. Because it's about to rain, of course. Well, now I'm just upset because now Grumblebum's over. Oh, there he is. Yep. Yeah, I just tore him apart. I'm still tearing him apart. Awesome. A perfectly naked red centipede. That is way creepier than it was earlier. I'm a sentient pair of safety scissors, but the safety is silent. I have no fall damage. Alright, let's see. Okay, not that far, apparently. You know what, I'm just gonna hold him up to you. Delicious flesh! I remember the first time I beat Rain World and saw those things. I was so confused. Let me touch you. Do it. Let me touch you. Let me nibble that little face. Okay, goodbye. As the MiroSlug cat finally joins its flock, it is finally time for them all to migrate south for the winter. Even though it's July. Wait, did I die? Wait, I heard the death sound,